How can you be sure of the returns quoted by the mutual fund house? What are the SEBI guidelines that make sure that your money is safe? Industry expert Mr. Gururaj has joined us today. Sir, how safe is our money in mutual fund returns?
It has to be. SEBI advertisement code is also very clear. He says that, boss, you have to not only, because people get confused with the CAGR and all these things. SEBI clearly says in your investment buzz, you say how much my 10,000 has become. So when I'm taking a particular period, I have to give all these details. You go and see any advertisement of mutual fund for the scheme. I have to give all these details, right? So there is no way we can play with this returns, right? I'll clearly define this is the period I have taken. This is so, and more than that, I have to give 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, 10 year, and all that stuff. It is not that only one period I'll give, right? And they are clearly defining, because if it is a liquid fund, I can annualize the return. If it is less than 1 year equity fund, I have to give absolute return. So much restriction. So there is no way we can go wrong on the advertisement. If some private guy has shown some other return, that is absolutely you have to go and ask them. If that advertisement has come from a mutual fund, there's no way anybody can take risk. I can vouch for it.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation, and also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.